Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, February 1st, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to shoot a quick video just to explain the Powerline and the spillover, okay? I had somebody who signed up with me last week. They thought that I had put 47,000 plus people under them, all right? They were looking at this number here, and while I wish I did do that, it's not the case, okay? And some people are wondering where their spillover is, all right? So I just thought I would read this in the back because this has been added recently, and I thought that it's worth a little video, a short video, just to explain and clarify everything for people who are trying to understand this. Okay. Now here it says 19,849 members have joined after you in the Powerline. Okay, so if you go down and look at all these people, these are everybody that came into this company and joined after I did. And I joined back on December 21st, as you can see right here. All right, so I've been a member of LiveGood, an affiliate of LiveGood, since December 21st. All right, but what this does say is it says important. Most of the people you see in the Powerline will not be under you in the matrix. Members are placed in the matrix following their enroller. Spillover is created when your enroller and the people above you in the matrix enroll people faster than you. When that happens, some of those people may fall under you in the matrix, as the only place for new members to go is under the ones who are already in there. And then it says, keep in mind, there is a fast way to build and a slow way to build. The slow way is to simply sit back and wait for spillover. Depending on how fast the people above you in the matrix are building, it may take a few weeks to see any spillover, possibly a few months. And that's okay. Even one person who gets placed below you in the matrix who goes to work could be earning you hundreds of dollars a month in residual income for years and years to come. So be patient. Or, if you want to build the fast way and make a lot more money by building your matrix faster and capitalizing on huge matching bonuses, enroll a few people. Just enrolling 2 people literally triples your income potential, gets you to our bronze rank, and gives you a huge head start to maximizing the compensation plan. Either way works, and in the meantime, use your membership to save a ton of money on the highest quality products on the planet. Win-win, right? So when you join LiveGood and you're looking in your back office under the Powerline, just be mindful that, you know, this number here, the number of people who have joined after you in the Powerline, and the total number of people down here are 2 different things. Okay, you're not necessarily going to see anybody in your matrix when you first join up. All right, but I am going to take you over here and show you my matrix tree, and just show you that spillover does work. It does happen, and I've got a lot of people getting a lot of spillover, okay? Now, this particular person right here, all right, I'm going to block their names out, okay? This person has not enrolled anybody yet, which is totally fine. You don't have to come in and enroll people, but this person has not enrolled anybody yet, and I'm just going to show you their matrix stats, okay? Now, if you look over here, right, you're going to see that this person has 24 people under them in their matrix already, and they haven't enrolled a single person. They don't have any personal enrollees, okay? So spillover does happen. It is happening, and it's just crazy. I'm going to show you one more example down here under my earnings. All right, you can see here that I have only personally enrolled 16 people, okay? I only brought 16 people who signed up using my affiliate link to join LiveGood, all right? Look at over here how many people are under me in my matrix. I have 346 people already. That is coming from people that I referred who referred others, and it's coming from spillover above me. All right? So, again, you can come in here, you can join LiveGood, you can sit back, not do anything, wait for your matrix to fill up, which could be a few months to a year. It could be even longer, who knows? There's no guarantee, but you can do that, or you can come in here, refer a couple people. You're going to get ranked up to bronze, and then that opens up the 13th level of your matrix where you can double your money, okay? Just by simply having people under you in the matrix. And I'll just show you that really quick down here in the pay plan. All right, so this is the matrix commissions. If you come in here and do absolutely nothing, you just sit back, let everything fall into place, you're going to earn on 12 levels of the matrix, okay? And once these 12 levels are filled, that would give you a monthly residual income of $2,047.50, okay? Now, if you go and refer 2 people, you rank up to bronze here, and like I just mentioned, it opens up the 13th level where you double your monthly income potential. All right. Now, of course, this is with a full matrix. So this could take, it could take a long time for this to completely fill up. But once it's full, you'd be earning the $4,095.50. Like I just read you, there's two ways to do it. You can do it the slow way or the fast way. And, why not come in here and refer a few people? Because everybody knows somebody who's looking to get healthy and wealthy, right? So anyway, I just wanted to clarify that so people aren't thinking that the people in the Powerline that they see, that they're all going to fall under you and you're going to get paid on every single one of those people, okay? Because that's not how it works. But again, our team is growing super fast. I have almost 350 people on my team right now. There's people who have never made a single penny on my team who have people in their matrix like I just showed you. And everything's going really good with this company. It's growing like crazy. And it's just an opportunity that you should jump on. If you have any questions about this, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. There's also a link in the description box. If you click on that link, you'll be taken over to the LiveGood tour page that looks just like this. This is a 5-minute and 55-second video that our CEO and founder Ben Glinsky put together. It explains everything in great detail, and then you can reserve your position in our matrix for free by putting your first, last name, email, and clicking reserve my position today. All right? And again, if you want to join LiveGood, it's a one-time $40 affiliate fee, then only $9.95 a month thereafter. So your first payment is $49.95, and then it's $10 a month afterwards. We also have a yearly pay plan where you can pay for a full year up front and save $20. All right, so if you have any questions about any of this, again, leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I look forward to working with you. I'm helping everyone on our team. We have a team rotator. I'm keeping you in the team rotator until you rank up to bronze. And then after that, you're taken out, and then we're going to help your referrals get referrals. All right? So anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope you have an awesome February. If you find any value, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot. I greatly appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.